Greetings to all of you. So listen, if you're a small business owner and you're not using AI, you need to pivot fast because listen, AI is not waiting for you. You need to start leveraging AI, especially if you're a solo entrepreneur or if you're a solo business owner and you are operating your business just you. So now let me show you something. This is what you call Genspark Super Agent, right? So I'm going to leave the link below to this AI. So Genspark Super Agent is an AI that helps you create different types of tools. Website, landing page, apps, web apps, whatever you can think of, it can create. As you can see here, you can create slides, you can create AI sheets, you can generate video, you can call, it can call for you. There's different types of, different types of productivity tools that you can create with this tool. So now let me show you. This is what we're going to create. We're going to create a landing page for my ebook. Now I'm going to do this live, right? So let me just move this right here. I'm going to do a full demo right now so you can see. So we're going to time this. I'm going to put a timer and I'm going to show you what you can do with AI. So I'm going to create a landing page for one of the ebooks that I have. It could be anything. It could be an ebook, an e-file, or it could be an image that you want to upload. So I'm going to upload an ebook that I just downloaded, and I'm going to show you where I downloaded the ebook because you can also download it yourself. You can download it for free. Okay. So here's our ebook. Right, so let me upload our ebook. So this is our ebook, right? So I'm gonna do two tests. So I'm gonna give it a simple prompt. A prompt is your command, your instruction, your request. What do you want the AI to create, right? You give it the input, it gives you the output, okay? So as you can see here, ask anything, create anything. So I'm giving it a request. So now my request is I want it to create a landing page for this ebook that I just uploaded. So very simple request, very simple prompt, right? And we're going to see what output it gives us. So let's go create a landing page for the attached file. Okay, so that's it. Just a simple prompt, a very vague prompt, nothing too complicated, nothing too meticulous, just a simple prompt. So now I'm going to hit submit. Okay, and we're going to look at our clock or a timer. So we're at 3 minutes and 33 seconds. So let's see how fast it's going to take for it to create this landing page. This is the power of AI. You're seeing AI in real time. Now listen, this is the worst AI will ever be. This technology is just self-improving every day. Listen, technology does not regress. It's just going to progress. It's going to get better every day. So if you're a small business owner, if you are a solopreneur, if you're trying to start a business, you need to start leveraging AI. Because listen, if you don't have the team, if you don't have the capital, if you don't have the resources, then AI is your assistant that you can use. Okay. So there we go. Right. It's improving. Now, while it's doing that, let me show you where you can actually get these ebooks. Right. So as you can see here, there we go. It's coding, right? Now we have 2 minutes and 45 seconds, right? Because I want to create this I want to show you that you can create. Now, listen, I'm doing this in real time. I'm not editing this video. Whatever you're seeing, I'm uploading this video in real time, raw, so you can see the entire process, okay? As you can see here, the AI is coding, right? Let's look at our time. We got 2 minutes and 24 seconds for the AI to create something. So the timer is for me to illustrate, to show you what you can create or what the AI can create in less than 5 minutes. It can create a functioning website, app, a productivity tool, a landing page that you can share on social media with your friends, whoever it is that you want to share with. So let's let the AI generate the code. This is what you call vibe coding, because right now it's coding on my behalf. It's doing all the heavy lifting. Listen, you need to start leveraging this tool because this is the new norm. This is the new way. This is the new wave. This is the new technology. If you don't have capital, if you don't have a team, if you don't have resources, you're a small business owner, AI is your tool. AI it gives you that competitive advantage. Now look at this. Boom. There we go. Our AI, our platform or our landing page is ready, right? And we did that in less than a minute. In less than 5 minutes, and we still have a minute to go. So let me stop that. So that's the power of AI. You can create landing pages in less than a minute, in less than 5 minutes. So now let me maximize it to show you our landing page. So there we go. So we have our landing page, right? Self-improvement and success. That was the name of the book. And then it gives you, right, a description of what the book is about. So remember, I gave it a vague prompt. Based on the vague prompt that I gave it, it was able to create this right here. Now let me see if it's going to work, the download, because I haven't tested the download yet. So let me check the download works. So the download does work. So look at that, right? Let me not speak too fast. Let me just check. Let me wait. Let me wait. Is it going to download? Is it going to download? Is it going to download? Because if it downloads it, then that means, right? Yeah, we are in business. So we're just waiting for, okay, it's opening the document. It's opening the document. Yeah, so there we go, right? It worked, right? So now you have a fully functioning website where people can go and download your ebook, right? So look at that. So we were able to download our ebook, and our ebook is ready to go. Now, so let me just maximize it again. So now, if you want to utilize this approach where you upload it and then they can download it. Now, here they can download it for free, right? So if you want them to download it for free, then you can set it up this way, right? Because there's no paywall, there's no there's no restriction. So anybody that has access to this link can download your free ebook. So if it's a free ebook, a free PDF, a free document, a free whatever it is that you want to upload and then you want them to download, then you can leverage AI to do that for you. So as you can see here, there we go, right? So they can download it, get your free ebook, as you can see here, and we did that in less than 5 minutes, right? So this is the power of AI. So, and all we did was we just gave it a vague prompt, right? So this was our prompt: create a landing page for the attached file. Now, let me do another test. This time I want to use one of the prompts that I already created, right? So I'm just going to copy. So I already created this prompt, right? Now this prompt is more specific, it's more detailed. I'm specifying what I want the AI to create. So we're going to go back here and we're going to enter a prompt. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to, because I already have the link, it's going to go to another third-party website because I'm going to sell it, right? So this time I'm going to sell it. So what I'm going to do is this: I'm going to add, no, that's not what I need. I'm just going to remove that. I'm just going to add the image of the ebook, right? So let's remove that. Just add the image. So I need to add the image. Okay, so let's go back to download. Go self-improvement. Okay, so I just need the image. So ebook cover. Okay, so let's use this cover right here. Okay, we're going to upload. All right, so this time I'm giving it a more detailed prompt, right? So I wanted to create a standalone page for an ebook called Self-Improvement and Success with the following feature: hero section, title, self-improvement, subtitle, defining your purpose, and so on. So, and then cover image. So this is the cover image that I uploaded. Book overview, I've given a book overview. Purchase button, right? So now the purchase button, I have a link. It's going to send them to another platform so they can process the payment. Because remember, here we didn't process any payment, right? Where is it? Let me go back here. Remember, here there was no payment processing. It's just a free download. So when somebody gets access, when you send this link, this landing page to somebody, when they come here, they're downloading the free version, right? Because there's no paywall, there's no restriction that is set, right? Now for this new prompt, what I'm doing is I'm creating the landing page. I'm giving it more instruction, I'm giving it more detail, and then I'm giving it a link to where people can go and purchase the new this ebook. So I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, here's the link. All right, this is the link. So when they click on the link, it's going to take them to this website. So I'm going to show you that website. So let's hit submit. Okay, so now it's creating the landing page again, but this time we gave it more, as you can see. So this is the prompt, right? So the prompt is more, it's more detailed. So it's coding, so it's accepting our prompt. So as you can see, it's doing the coding on our behalf, right? I'm not doing anything. Now listen, you have to start understanding what's going on. If you're a small business owner, you need to pivot. You need to start thinking, okay, because in the next 3 to 6 months, this technology is just going to get better. If you're not playing around with it, if you're not testing it, if you're not using it, you're doing a disservice to yourself. You need to start using these tools every day so you can get familiarized with it. You can get better. You can get better with your prompting. You can get better with, with your technique, so you can understand the ins and out of how, on how these platforms work. So you need to start using it. So listen, I'm going to leave all the links below so you can start playing around with it. Genspark.ai. And I'm also going to leave the link to my company. If you want to contact me for one-on-one training session for a one-on-one training session. The link is going to be below, because I have workshops, and I'm putting together an academy it's coming soon. So if you're watching this, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to have an academy set up, and I'm going to have a training set up, so that way you guys can so I can be doing some more training. Okay, so here's our new landing page. Okay, now the only I noticed there was an issue, because our image, right, our placeholder image was not added. Okay, so this is the landing page. So it has the price. This is actually that's not the right price, but if they click here, it's going to take them now to our third-party platform that's hosting. So this, when they come here, they can pay, because I haven't added the my Stripes account yet, so they can make the payments from here. So now let me go back and show you something else here. Okay, so let's fix this, right? Because it didn't add the placeholder. Okay, so let's add another image here. Okay, let me just move myself here. I'm doing this in real time, so you can see the power of AI, what you can do with AI. So I'm going to add that image again. Okay, I'm just going to let it know. Okay, and then I'm going to give it the instruction or the command, add placeholder image. Okay, and I'm going to hit enter. Now it might change the structure of the landing page, or might create a new landing page. Okay, but let's see what happens. Now this platform that I'm showing you, it is a free platform, right? So it's a free platform that you can use to create your landing page, your web apps, your tools, your website, right? So it's a free website that I'm showing you, right? It's a free AI website. Now I got 3 minutes before before my camera shuts off. So now I wanted to show you something, right? What is it that I wanted to show you? So this is where you can upload all your PDF, all your ebooks. So if you have ebooks, if you have PDF, right, you can go to this company called PayHip, right? PayHip, they have a free account. You can upload your PDF, you can upload your ebooks, you can upload all your digital product, right? And then it's a free account, so they will process the payment for you. They will send you the link, or they'll give you the link. So let me show you how it works, right? So when you go to payhip.com, you set up your account, you set up a free account, right? And then when you are ready to add a product, right, you just go to add product. There you go, add product. So you see, digital products, sell ebooks, software, and other files. You can also sell your courses, membership, physical product, coaching services, bundle. So whatever you want to sell, you can sell it for free, right? Because if they set you up with a free account, and then they process the payment on your behalf. So let's say if you want to sell a digital product, you just click digital product, and then you can upload your stuff from here, right? There we go, right? Upload your product file, your PDF, you give it a title, you give it the price, right? You upload the image, give it a description, right? And then the visibility, you want everyone to see it, and then you just select add product, right? And now once you select add product, then this is where, let me go back here, right? Or let me go back to products. Yeah, and then this is where you get the link. So here's the link right here, right? This is what the link will look like. So now once you have your Stripes or PayPal set up, there's going to be a payment button here. So when they click, then they can just purchase the product. Now look at this. So now you have a landing page that you created for free with AI. You have a ebook that you also created for free. You created it for free with this website. Now you have a monetized website, right? So now if we go back to our AI website here, where is it? Okay, there you go, right? Self-improvement. Okay, so it hasn't added the image yet. So I don't know what's going on with the website today, but okay, right? It just did its own thing. This is not what I was asking, right? But it just gave me something else, right? So let me go back here. I have 2 minutes. Oh, no, I have 30 seconds. So I'm not going to be able to finish this video today, but just to show you, this is the power of AI. This is what you can do with AI. You can leverage AI to create different types of website tools for your business. So as you can see here, so when they go get your copy, it's going to take them to the website that I just showed you.